Information and Communication Technology, that is ICT, is a broad term that encompasses technologies that are used to manipulate and communicate the information. Now, ICT includes a wide range of technologies as well as wide range of tools that are used for various purposes such as gathering, storing, retrieving, processing, transmitting, as well as displaying the information. Now, ICT acts as a tool which helps in the implementation of good governance throughout the country. Now, when we talk about the e-government or e-governance, now it is referred to as the combination of the ICT in the governance of the country. Now, both these terms, that is e-governance and e-governance, now they both describes the government's utilization of ICT to afford the services to its citizens. Now, it is important to note that good governance is fundamental, whereas e-governance is instrumental. Now, e-governance is a tool. Now, no e-governance tool can be successful without fostering attention to the process reforms for the good governance. Now, good governance dictates the design and the shape of e-tools for improving the governance outcomes as well as the governance processes. Now, e-governance can be effective and efficient tool for good governance if and only if the process reforms have been carried out properly. Now, there is another concept, that is process re-engineering, which is another tool that can be very effective in implementing the e-governance initiatives that can take the information technology to the common man. Now, it also helps to align the government to align with its services that will be provided to the citizens and other stakeholders. Now, let's talk about the emergence of the digital economy, which has affected both the role and the functions of the public institutions. Now, while undertaking the traditional functions such as defense, law and order, justice, taxation, education, healthcare, as well as the social equity, now the government are now required to take the new role of harnessing its power of the IT and leading change. Now, there has been the transformation in the role of the government from buyer, that is the producer of the ICT services, to the facilitator or the leader because of the emergence of the digital economy. Now, ICT has changed the way the government operates. Now, ICT has been instrumental in changing the way in which the government operates through horizontal as well as vertical interaction, as well as the changes in the information flow. Now, it has provided a unique opportunities to the government in terms of the new ways of doing the business through the e-government or the e-governance applications. Now, e-government is about leading the transformation of the government to provide the efficient, convenient, as well as the transparent services